On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix can't follow problem on Instagram app easy and fast. So hello guys, welcome to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem in less than 1 minute. So first thing you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks. Now enable the airplane mode like this and disable it again, and now go back to the settings, scroll, go to the apps manager, click on apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Click on Instagram, click on force stop, and then go to the notifications management, enable all the notifications like this, and then go back, click on the permissions, enable all the permissions, and go back, click on the data usage, and make sure also to enable all the network access. Now last thing you want to do is click on force stop and restart your phone, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.